Delaware Heating and Cooling Specialists. We have plenty of real-life experience to do the job right the first time. Get professional HVAC technicians with affordable upfront pricing, and on-time service from workers that respect your home as if it were their very own. There's no hype or high-pressure sales techniques, just good old-fashioned effective HVAC repairs and service. We handle all brands, makes, and models of heating and air conditioning systems. Call 302-416-4730 today or visit www.enhancedhvac.com.